Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by prepping every ingredient to streamline cooking. Chop 2 medium onions, mince 3 cloves garlic, and grate 2 inches ginger. Wash and core 3 large bell peppers, then roughly chop them. Peel and cube 2 medium potatoes and slice 2 carrots. Total mixed vegetables should equal about 2 cups. Measure 4 cups vegetable stock and set aside. For a smooth broth, place peppers and 1 cup stock in a blender and puree until silky. Then reserve the pepper puree for later. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a large pot over medium heat and sauté chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger for about 5 minutes until translucent and fragrant. Stir in the reserved pepper puree, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Cook 2 minutes to toast spices. Pour in 4 cups vegetable stock and add the 2 cups prepared mixed vegetables and cubed potatoes. Bring to a simmer, then reduce heat. After vegetables are tender, taste and adjust seasoning. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and extra salt if needed to reach balanced acidity and umami. For a richer finish, stir in 1/2 cup coconut milk or light cream and heat through, but do not boil. If you prefer a chunkier texture, reserve some cooked vegetables before blending. Otherwise, blend 1 cup of soup and stir back in for body. Garnish with chopped cilantro or parsley, and serve hot with 2 slices crusty bread per person.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.